This week we're going to show you a new way to turn in your weekly log to Coach. In Schoology, go ahead and click log, but you're going to see it looks a little bit different right here, so go ahead and click the link for log and make a copy. When you make a copy, you'll notice that your name does not show up here on the side. So the first thing you need to do is change your name so Coach knows whose work he's grading. Do not click share. Make sure that you go down here and you start filling in your activity for the week. When you finished filling in your log, instead of clicking share, do not click share. Go ahead and leave this open. Go back over here to your Schoology page and click submit. Go ahead and click resources, apps, and Google Drive. This is going to attach directly to your Google Drive assignments. Click on your log that's already saved there and import. That way, Coach, it's been submitted and you are good to go.